I don't know about you, but I don't have any turkeys in the area that I live, but we're going to be watching a close call with some turkeys and then also watching a close call with another rider out on the road. Two great reasons why we need to be paying attention on the road, and that's what we're going to be talking about today. All right, so Smitty, here we go. We're going to be moving forward. This person's way up there, good space cushion. We're getting closer, we're getting closer, we're getting closer, we're getting closer. Good swerve. Good swerve. Good job, man. Good job. That was it. So here's the thing. You see how tiny he is? See how tiny this rider is? Let's go ahead. See how tiny he is? Now look how tiny my hand is. Or my finger. Look how tiny my finger is. But now you're getting closer and closer and closer and closer and closer. It's getting bigger and bigger and bigger. So if you see a tiny little object and it's getting bigger, that means you're getting closer to it. Pretty simple, right? Pretty simple concept. But then you go an extra step. Why is this person getting closer? Is it because I'm going too fast or is this person slowing down? That's the next thing I want you to really start thinking about. Am I going too fast or are they slowing down? Now, if I'm going too fast, I'm going to check my speed. Oh, I am. Roll up the throttle, problem solved. If they're slowing down, because I checked, oh, I'm going the speed limit. I'm doing a quick check. Oh, that's not an issue. They're slowing down. Why are they slowing down? Now we go into the next step. Why are they slowing down? Are they turning or are they stopping because there's a hazard in the road? So I'm not going to constantly haul ass and find out for myself at last second. I'm going to go ahead and start rolling up the throttle too. So either way, if I was going too fast or if they were slowing down, I'm slowing down because there could be a multitude of issues for them that we don't see yet. So we're going to come up here. We're going to be moving over here. Now we have another rider way up there that turns left. So we have a rider right there that turns left. So maybe that's why this guy was slowing down. Never know, because maybe he's turning left too. So why are we hauling ass to get closer and closer and closer? That's where we start running into the issues. Woo! Then we go around. Good swerve. So he couldn't stop in time. So he did his other emergency move, which is going to be a red stage maneuver, is going to be a swerve. So practice your swerves. We have that training on motorcycle training concepts, guys. That is the motorcycle training curriculum that we here on this channel follow. Okay. We follow that.
So I'm looking for anything that would be discoloration. So like just right here, you can see how it's a little bit lighter. I would have used that. Okay, so any of these like little cracks, I would use that. This little thing right here, I would use that. And that is what you're gonna do. So right now I'm actually choosing not to do anything just because there is traffic. There is probably kids walking around. I'm situationally aware. I'm in orange stage whenever I practice, just in case something happens. And this is a nice straightaway. There's no intersections or anything like that. I'm gonna find this black spot right here and I'm gonna swerve out of the way and swerve back in and go back to where I was originally in that lane. So that's what I do. So I'm gonna find another spot that looks a little discolored. I'm gonna get past this intersection just in case. This is a good spot right here, manhole cover. Boom, nice and movement.
So Boris the Blade going through the mountains right here. Turkey, turkey, turkey. Little turkey. Okay, so right here, we're going through the mountains. We're doing good speed, okay? Really good speed, and you see wildlife on the sides. Okay, you see some here, you see one right here. Now, when you see any wildlife on a side, or kids, treat kids just like that. They're unpredictable. They're kind of dumb. I'm going to get in trouble for that. They will go across in front of you when they're not supposed to. So hitting a kid is obviously very bad. Hitting an animal, it's kind of just as bad, I guess. But the thing is, you could easily crash right afterwards, and that's really bad. So we don't want to do that, okay? So we're going to go forward here. So as soon as you see this, go ahead and roll up the throttle a little bit. Now, the cool thing is he's only going 32, okay? 32, he's doing a decent speed. He's not hauling ass around here. And what he can do is easily straighten up the motorcycle and apply a little bit of brakes and kind of cruise by and then get going. You don't want to be hauling ass. So that's why I really like Boris the Blade on this one. See how I was able to straighten it up, apply some brake pressure, and then get going? Very good. Now, right here, this is what I use my phone for, GPS. Okay, this is what I use it for. I don't use it for anything else. It allows me to see. This is what I absolutely love. This is what I wanted to bring in here. It lets me see when there's turns coming up ahead. And then look at this turn right here. And look at this crazy turn right there. That right there is why I have my phone on my handlebars, is so I'm prepared for crazy turns coming up ahead. And if you want to, grab yourself a rock form mount. We have the link in the description. If you click it, it automatically applies a discount of 25%. So you should be good with that. Yeah, I use it for my phone all the time. But this right here is exactly what I use it for. Great job, Boris, with the braking, not speeding, kept himself safe. Now remember, this is all clips from the live stream that we have every Tuesday and Thursday at 3 p.m. Mountain Standard Time on this channel. Make sure you hit that like button, and at the same time, click this video or this video, and keep watching.